Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a sales funnel very quickly. So this is going to be a very short video. I just want to show you guys if you're thinking about creating a sales funnel, if you want to sell a product, if you have a service you want to offer to your clients, and you don't have a lot of knowledge of how to create a funnel. Well, in this video you're going to get a very simple system of how to actually begin the process. So I'm going to go into my I'm going to begin the process right now. I'm going to show you how simple it is. So over here, when you're in your ClickFunnels account, you just click on build a funnel. Okay, and we're gonna wait for this to open up. Okay, so all right, so you see here there's a lot of choices here, right? And just having all these choices, it could be scary. So what I would suggest you to do is I would ask you to wait for this window to open up, okay? And you can do it this way. And this, if you chose this, collect emails, it would bring you step by step, and basically you would do everything manually. So this takes a long time to do, but if you want to learn how everything functions, well, you can do one step at a time, but it doesn't actually teach you, it doesn't give you the entire map. So my suggestion is, if you're actually selling a product or even a service, I would suggest you to choose this one, sell your product and service, and I'm going to show you what it actually does. Okay, so once you click on choose, and I believe I clicked on it, right? Okay, perfect. I'm just going to choose a name, so I'm just going to write sales funnel. All right, and then you click on build the funnel, and it's going to give you the funnel steps. It's going to give you number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I'll show you guys what that is going to give you. And like I said, this is going to be the simplest way to create a funnel for you, and I'm just giving you a map of how it's done. Okay, so look at that, guys. You have your first page and your launch pages, your order page, and your thank you page. So it's all done for you. Okay, all these pages, right? It's all done for you. You don't have to try to add each one individually. If someone wants to actually add, okay, so let me just actually go step by step so it's super clear. So the first page is it's opt-in page. It's where your client comes in, and in exchange for their email, their name, or phone number, you give them something. So you can give them an ebook, you can give them a checklist, you can give them a guide. And over here it's just a launch page. Basically what this is it gives you information about the product that you're actually trying to sell. So on the first page it would be something free, and then over here it would be giving information about the product that you're trying to sell. Okay, and in the order page, this is where they actually get to buy the product. And in this page I'm going to show you what the difference is. So let's say we select this template. Okay, so we're gonna show you how this looks like. And just to also clarify, right, in this order page, this is where you add your products. Okay, so they get to actually buy the product here, and I'll just show you how this looks like. So this is where they enter in their contact information, their email, and their credit card info, and they're able to purchase a product. So okay, and then at the end, once they purchase a product, you have the last and final page, which is a thank you page. You thank them for making that purchase, and if you have any other information you'd like to provide them, you can do this on this page. And that could be even selling another product or just saying simply thank you. You would do this on this page. So that's simple, right? Like you're simply just clicking on stuff. Like if I click on this, the thank you page is actually done. If I click on the opt-in page, I'm going to show you once this. Okay, so you see the thank you page is done. I'm going to do the same. I can do the same thing with the opt-in page. You just select one of the templates that's given to you by ClickFunnels already, that you can just simply click, and it's already done for you. The only thing you need to change is obviously the writing, the graphics, and that's pretty much it. And you can have a website, you can have a sales funnel just done in a couple of minutes. So powerful, and I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any more questions about funnels, ClickFunnels, I would ask you guys to just leave your comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. If you want me to make more videos, similar to this was just like a general video. It was just to show you guys how simple and easy it is to actually make a sales funnel and get people to opt in and sell products. If you guys want me to go over like a certain step more detail, and just clarify something a bit more or spend more time on something, I'll be happy to do that. So that's it for this video, guys, and talk to you guys on the next one.